Manning School is represented by Renee Somerville, Rachel Brown, Hassan Smith, and Ciara Hall. York Castle is represented by Jonique Emmanuel, Torianne Downs, Tamala Neal, and Ryoma Muir. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, welcome to the second match in round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? Well, this is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and York Castle High won. They decided to go first, so we will begin with York Castle High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. York Castle. We begin with literature. A young boy takes a train to the North Pole on Christmas Eve in what classic children's book by Chris Van Allsburg?
The Polar Express.
Correct. Manning School, literature. In the novel The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, what magical country does the White Witch put a spell on so that it always has winter but never Christmas?
Genovia.
Incorrect. Narnia. International affairs for York Castle. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed. And you have allowed the time to elapse. Let's see if Mannings would like to give a try.
Ecuador.
That is correct. And your international affairs question, Mannings. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Peru.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for York Castle. Complete the Jamaican proverb. One finger kya.
Kill lice.
Correct. Jamaican heritage, Manning School. Complete the Jamaican proverb. The darkest part of the night are when.
Moonlight.
Correct. Music for York Castle. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Respect.
Incorrect. I Can't Stand the Rain. And music for Manning School. Listen to the clip. Give the title of this song.
I'm so in love with you.
So in love.
Incorrect. Let's Stay Together. And French for York Castle. What number is 88 in English?
98.
Incorrect. 88. And French for Manning School. What number is 71 in English?
71.
Correct. Theatre and cinema for York Castle. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Christopher Daly.
Incorrect. Joseph Marcel. Theatre and cinema for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Shereen Campbell.
Incorrect. Janet Hubert. York Castle art. What is the name of the hand method of producing patterns in textiles by tying portions of the fabric so that they will not absorb the dye?
Tie-dye.
Correct. Art, Mannings. What is the name for a painting medium in which colored pigment is mixed with a water-soluble binder such as egg yolk?
Tempera.
Correct. Sports for York Castle. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Leslie Tebogo.
Leslie Tebogo.
Judges, will you accept? It should be Letziel Tebogo. Sports, a visual question for Mannings. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Ferdinand Omanyala.
That is correct. Principles of business for York Castle. What is the name for a small manufacturing business that often operates in the home of the craftsperson who is also usually the company's proprietor?
Cottage industry. Cottage industry.
Correct. Principles of business for Mannings. Banks often provide special loan terms for MSMEs in the economy. What does MSME stand for?
Single market.
Single market economy.
Incorrect. Micro, small and medium enterprises. That's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Manning School on 6 and York Castle High on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns right after these messages.